Today I'm going to show you how to customize your sales forms in QuickBooks Online. So once you're logged into your company, go ahead and go up to the top, Settings, Accountant Settings, go over to your Sales tab, Customize Look and Feel, and select Edit. So now you're into the form. You have Design, you get to choose from a template. Make logo edits, you can upload a logo, it's going to end up in this top right corner of your invoice. Try some other colors. You can hand key in your color if you have a specific code for it. And then font types, you have about 4 different fonts to select from. Moving on to content. So you're going to have 3 different sections here. We'll select the first one, which is basically the header. You have some different options: business name, phone number, email address. You can add address, website. And then you can see you can change the form name. So if you call an invoice something else or an estimate something else, you can call it that. And then form numbers, definitely have that checked. Gives each form number a custom number so that you can reference it specifically. Shipping terms, things like that. Moving on to the second section, this is going to be your products and services. So you can decide how specific you want to be, add dates or not, add quantity and rate. And then the bottom section, this will show you discount, deposit, estimate. So if you have customers that submit a deposit before you start the work, you may want to include that and show it subtracted from the grand total. You can also change the message at the bottom of the invoice. Thank you for your business. You can make it a little bit larger if you want. And you can add some footer text as well. So then moving on to the email section. So if you collect email addresses from your customers as you invoice them, then you can send everything via email and you can customize this whole thing. So full details or summarized details, that's what's going to actually show up in the email. So if I have summarized details, it's going to give them a due date and an amount and allow them to print or save the invoice. You'll see this is also checked PDF attached. That means that there's a PDF of the invoice attached to the email, which is useful for your clients generally. You can also do full details. That'll show the entire invoice in the email. Most people do summarized details. And then standard email, so you can play around with the subject and the message in the email, and then a reminder email. So in QuickBooks Online, you have the ability to send reminders to overdue invoices or invoices coming due, and you can customize that message as well, change the greeting, however you want to do it. You can also customize this for estimates, as well as sales receipts, which is when you sell to a customer and get paid the same day, basically. So any other specific questions you have about getting your company set up, feel free to contact me. I'm Casey Moss Tax and Accounting LLC in Illinois, and my website is caseymosstax.com.